Listen, before we begin, I want you to forget everything you think you know about learning English. Forget fear, forget hesitation, forget the idea that you are not good enough. Because today is different. Today is not just another lesson. Today is your turning point. Imagine yourself speaking English confidently in real life, talking to people without stopping, without translating, without feeling nervous. Feels powerful, right? Stay with me till the end, because what you are about to experience can completely change the way you speak English. And I have a simple question for you. What stops you from speaking English confidently right now? Is it fear, lack of practice, or overthinking? Write your answer in the comments. And if you truly want to improve your English speaking skills, hit the like button right now and subscribe to this channel. Because here you will not just learn English, you will build confidence step by step. Now take a deep breath, relax your mind, and get ready. Your real English journey starts right now. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine a simple situation. You are standing in front of someone, maybe at work, maybe in a new country, maybe in a small conversation. They ask you a simple question in English, and you understand it. But when it's your turn to answer, your mind goes blank. You know the words, but you can't speak. This happens to millions of people, not because they don't know English, but because they don't practice speaking the right way. Now open your eyes. That moment you imagined, we are going to fix it today. English is not about memorizing difficult words. It is not about learning complicated grammar rules. It is about using simple sentences again and again until they become natural. Think about how you learned your first language. You didn't memorize. You listened, you repeated, and slowly you started speaking. That is exactly what we are going to do. Now listen carefully and repeat after me. Don't just listen, speak. Your voice is your power. I am ready to speak English. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I am learning and improving every day. I speak clearly and confidently. I enjoy speaking English. Good. Keep going. Imagine you wake up in the morning. You look around and you decide that today you will practice English in a simple way. I wake up every morning with a goal to improve my English. I practice even if I feel nervous. Mistakes help me grow. I stay consistent every day. I am becoming better and better. Now picture yourself talking to someone. Hello, how are you doing today? I'm doing great, thank you. How about you? I'm doing well. I've been practicing my English. That's great. Practice makes you better. Yes, I feel more confident now. Feel the flow. This is how conversations start. Simple, natural, and clear. Now let's go deeper. Think about your daily life. I speak English when I am alone. I describe what I see around me. I think in English instead of translating. I use simple words to express my thoughts. I stay calm and speak slowly. You don't need perfect English. You need real English. The kind of English you can use every day. Now let's build your confidence step by step. I can speak English. I am improving every day. I believe in myself. I am confident when I speak. I am proud of my progress. Say it again with more energy. I can speak English. I am improving every day. I believe in myself. I am confident when I speak. I am proud of my progress. Now imagine a real-life situation again. You are at work, or maybe talking to a new friend. Hi, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. What do you do? I work and I'm also improving my English skills. That's great. Keep going. This is real communication. This is how you connect with people. Now focus on pronunciation. Speak clearly. Better communication builds strong relationships. Clear speaking creates confidence. Daily practice brings real results. I am improving step by step. I am becoming fluent. Don't rush. Take your time. Speak clearly. Now listen to this carefully. The biggest secret to fluency is consistency. Not talent, not intelligence, just daily practice. Even 10 minutes a day can change everything. Imagine practicing every day. Day by day, your confidence grows. Week by week, your fluency improves. And one day you realize something amazing. You are speaking English without fear. Now repeat after me. I practice English every day. I speak without fear. I focus on improvement, not perfection. I stay consistent. I never give up. This is your mindset. This is your power. Now let's bring everything together. You wake up. You think in English. You speak simple sentences. You practice daily. You listen and repeat. You stay confident. This is how you become fluent. Take one more deep breath. I am ready. I am confident. I am improving. I am fluent. I am strong. Remember this feeling. This is your new beginning. Now tell me in the comments,